welcome back to my channel, and to all the people seeing me for the first time, this is me Hiteja, and I create beauty content on my channel here on YouTube and fashion related content on my Instagram. So you can definitely check me out on both the places, and also don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the like and comment button, because that really helps me to grow here. And also this look today I have created using Stay Quirky products from Purple. So if you want to see how we come up to this look in total, stay tuned and continue watching. So guys, this is the look for a Danya night or Navratri, and this year apparently we are not celebrating it by going out or going out for a Danya night, but still, in case you want to do a makeup for this sort of a look, you have to keep your base super matte, because when you play Garba or anything around, your base should not move. So that's why I use the Palladio Rice Mattifying Primer. Mattifying primer will always help your makeup last longer and prevent your oils peeking in from the foundation. So that is the reason, always choose a mattifying primer whenever you want a look which is going to stay for more than 4 hours or so. So I use the Palladio Rice Mattifying Primer, and I use it today for the first time, and I really liked how it performed. Now for the foundation and my base, I am mixing two of these, which is one of the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, which is one of my favorites. Again, it is matte, so your base will be really matte and it will stay for a longer time. And I'm mixing an IT Cosmetics CC cream with that, just because I love the CC cream so much, but it came a bit lighter as per my skin color, because I just ordered it seeing online and my friend got it from me from the US. So this is how we make it work when a shade goes lighter or darker. And now you can see this completely matches my skin color. And also never forget to pull your foundation down to your neck, because that is very important. And I am going to cream contour today, because cream contour is very good and effective when you want a look which has to stay for a really long time. So I'm using one of my favorite contour sticks. This is from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is their fast forward contour stick. It's in the shade Fawn First, and it looks super flawless on my complexion, and I just love it. So I would definitely recommend you guys to try this one, because it comes under the affordable drugstore range, and also it's a super very high-end sort of a product, because I just love how this performs on skin. Also switching on to a smaller brush for my nose, so that I can have my contour very precise and specific and not too all over the place, so that my nose looks sharper. And now comes the concealer. So I am going to use two of my very favorite concealers. One is from L'Oreal. We have limited range for this concealer, so that I wanted a little lighter shade than this, so that I can use it for brightening also. So this shade is exactly my skin color, so it hides all my imperfections. And I'm using the LA Girl yellow corrector, because I really love how the effect of yellow corrector feels on your face, and how it cancels out any of the darkness or dullness you have in your under eye area. So I just used a combination of these two, and now I'm going to use one of my favorite brush from PAC. the concealer brush, and the shape of this is so perfect. It goes in the inner corners of your eyes and everything so beautifully. Also, it blends in the concealer so beautifully. So this brush has to be my favorite when it comes to blending my concealer. Now once I'm done with all of the liquid and cream placing on my face, I love to use a damp beauty blender and just tap it so that everything is locked in place and it does not move around. Now for the powder, guys, I am extremely sorry because this is not a powder from Colorbar. It is actually the Makeup Revolution banana powder, but I really am not a fan of the packaging of how the banana powder is done because it is too complex to get it out. Sometimes it oozes out too much, sometimes it's too less. So I just emptied my this Colorbar translucent powder and I just transferred the banana powder into this jar, because this is like, you know, twist it, open it, and then I can straight away dip in my blender easily, and then it picks up the product beautifully, and then I can place it on my face. Also, Purple sent out to me these lip and eye pencils as well as the eyebrow pencil, I suppose. And this is the eye pencil which they've sent me. It is in the shade hash brown. That's what I remember. I will link it down below. And I had a very, you know, exquisite look, extreme super dark black, you know, eyeliner look in mind. But this pencil was somewhere not even near to what I thought it should perform like, and apparently it's not the fault because they sent a brown shade instead of black. So I just switched it with the other turquoise bluish green shade which they sent me, and I'm just going it over the eyeliner which I placed earlier. So I quite like this shade because this popped up really nicely and it was looking too good on camera as well as in person. So this pencil worked for me and I really like this one, how this performs. But the only one drawback which I have with this pencil is it is too broad. Like, you cannot do a precise eyeliner with this. You can just use this for a thick eyeliner, or maybe when you want to smudge and do a, you know, blue smoky eye or something of that sort. So I didn't like how the eyeliner was looking, so I just smudged it, and then I felt the look was really good and it looks like a smoky smudged liner sort of a look. So this is what happens, guys, as in when you try a product, if you think it is not working the way you want it, you can just tweak it in you know, in some little ways, and you can alter the look so that it looks really good. So for my eyebrows, I am using again the eyebrow pencil which they've sent me, and I am just not going too over the board because I feel I already have dense eyebrows, and I just fill in and little bit, you know, wherever I feel the areas is sparse and I need to fill my eyebrows. That's about it what I do for my brows. So there is no specific or extra that I do. As you can see, I'm just filling in place, that's it, and I'm not going to do much for my eyebrows. So for my blush, this one I picked up from a local beauty store here in Bengaluru, and I just loved it because the shade was pretty cute, and I just love peachy blush tones like these, so that's why I just picked it up, and it performs really well. For the lip combination, I am going to use the lip liner and the lip crayon together, and the lip liner is towards the darker pink side, so you can definitely use this lip liner to, you know, contour your lips and not to fill in completely, because the lip crayon is towards the nude side. So these two in a contour, you know, sort of a style looked really good, and I just love the end result. So as you can see, I am slowly just putting a good shape to my lips, and that's about it for what I am going to use the pencil. And now I am just filling in the remaining area with this lighter pink nude shade, and as you can see, the shade is so pretty. I just loved the shade. It is actually really good, and I feel it might be a dupe for one of the high-end shades. I would definitely find it out and do a video for you guys where I show you a affordable dupe, you know, for the high-end lipsticks and everything. So as I mentioned earlier that this is the look for Navratri, and we have to have it super matte. So I am going to use this Fix Plus in the matte form from MAC Cosmetics, which is one of my favorites because it helps lasting my makeup for such a long time. Now without a highlighter, I don't feel any look is complete, and without K Beauty highlighter on my face, I do not love it. So K Beauty by Katrina has launched one of the best highlighters from drugstore. I feel they are super affordable, as well as the performance of these highlighters is so good. I am fallen in love with this since the day one I started using it, and I cannot switch on to any other highlighter like ever, because I just love this one, and the performance of this is so good. It looks natural, a perfect glow from within sort of a thing, does not accentuate any texture on your face. So I just love it. It's a 10 on 10 from my end. So that's it for the look, guys. I hope you must have loved it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and also share it to your friends so that they can see this video and enjoy as well. And for now, it is me, Hitesha, signing off. I will see you again in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.